What's up producers, it's Andrew back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beat in the style of EST GEE. You know, those dark, hard ambient trap beats with that hard hitting bell. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So I started this beat using Analog Lab with the A4 electric piano preset. I'll lay down this melody, and bear with me, it's gonna sound like crap for now, without any effects on. I know, pretty shitty. But here's where the secret sauce comes in. I've used Effect Track with a Morse Code Crystal preset, a Valhalla Vintage Verb, and Effectrix with a backwards vocal preset. And this is how the melody sounds now. Pretty hard if you ask me. Next thing I've added is the piano using Analog Lab with the Japanese Jazz Studio preset. This is how it sounds. For effects, we have an EQ cutting the lows and a Valhalla Vintage Verb making the piano wider. Next thing I've added is a pad using again Analog Lab 5 with a Supernatural Angels Part 2 preset. This is how it sounds. Same effect as the piano, as it's routed to the same mixer track. Last thing I've added to the melody is this bell, and it sounds like this. The only effect we have on the bell is a Valhalla Vintage Verb with a 55% mix. Next thing I did was render the melody out with each instrument having an individual track, and this is what we got now. What you're seeing here is a 16-bar melody. On the first 8 bars, the main melody remains the same, but on the next 8 bars, the main melody drops down an octave. So this is how it sounds. All you have to do now is split the loop up, Ctrl plus A to select them all, and Ctrl plus R to render it out, or Ctrl plus C to consolidate it in the same session. Now let's get to my favorite part, the drums. Started these drums with this snare. I've added this counter snare. These hi-hats. Open head, these perks, and these perks. Then I added an 808. For this beat I've used the classic Spins 808, so a lot of people don't know how to make the Spins 808 hit harder. All you have to do is go into pre-computed effect, play with the boost knob, raise it 1 or 2 scrolls, and then lower the volume a bit because it's gonna sound distorted as fuck. So here's how the 808 sounds. I don't use kicks all the time, but when I do, I make sure it doesn't overpower the 808, but it complements it. In this particular beat, I decided to use some kicks, but the kicks are not hitting on the same notes that an 808 are. Here's how it sounds. As you can see, it helps the 808, it doesn't overpower it. That was it with the drums. Last thing I added was this reverse 808, this riser. Also this one. And here's the final beat. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Andrew. I would appreciate very much if you like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'm so bad at intros and outros, so I'ma just let the beat play for you. And see you in the next one. Bye!
Andrew, please shut the fuck up.